Adjustable pry bars are an essential tool for any handyman or DIY enthusiast. There are many products available to choose adjustable pry bars, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best adjustable pry bars from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ALSA Tools Adjustable Pry Bar. The ALSA Tools Adjustable Pry Bar is a versatile and reliable tool designed to make your heavy-duty tasks easier. With its adjustable angles and extendable length from 13.3 inch to 18.5, this pry bar is perfect for positioning engines or equipment, aligning heavy steel plates or panels, and prying apart large, heavy objects. The extendable handle provides greater access and leverage, while the 12 locking positions allow for precise adjustments. The ergonomic grip ensures a strong and secure hold, ensuring comfort during use. Crafted with industrial-grade chrome vanadium steel, this pry bar is built to last a lifetime. ALSA Tools offers real value with their professional-grade tools, backed by a limited lifetime warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 2. Aries 46008-3 Piece Pry Bar Set, 8-inch. The Aries Extendable Indexing Pry Bar is a high-quality and versatile tool made of chrome vanadium steel. It features a 14-position locking grooved head that can be indexed to 180 degrees, allowing for improved access and leverage at nearly any angle. The knurled bands on the handle provide a firm grip, while the extendable handle allows for superior leverage in confined or hard-to-reach areas. This pry bar is suitable for a wide range of tasks, from removing engine and axle drive seals to demolition and industrial work. It also comes with a Performance Assurance Limited Lifetime Warranty, and Aries is a proud ASPCA Business Ambassador. Number 3. 4PCS 8-inch 10/16 Indexing Pry Bar Set. The Mechwork 7PCS Indexing Pry Bar Set includes a combination of flat and indexing pry bars made of high-strength chrome vanadium steel ideal for automotive repairs, engine, and construction applications. The pry bars offer 14 lock positions and 180 degrees head rotation, allowing for unparalleled access and leverage, and are designed with a unique ergonomic design for heavy-duty use. The round button for flat head upgrade provides a fluid and easy lock position adjustment, increasing the durability of the set. Number 4. Poplock Pry Bar Set, 3 pieces. The Poplock 3-piece indexing pry bar set includes 8, 12, and double-joint 17-inch pry bars, ideal for removing serpentine belts and precise pry bar edge tip. The heavy-duty design features a unique double-gear indexing mechanism with 11 incremental angles, allowing the user to choose up to 11 index pry angles for different tight spaces and auto bodywork. The 17-inch pry bar also includes an additional index pry bar joint locking feature, resulting in a total of 121 indexing pry bar positions. These high-quality pry bars have a forged head and edge, exceeding ENSI torque standards by over 3 times. Number 5. DASPA Adjustable Pry Bar. The DASPA Pry Bar is a 3-piece set that includes 3 sizes, 8, 12, 16 inches, of adjustable and indexable pry bars. Made of high-strength chrome vanadium steel, this pry bar is built to withstand heavy-duty use. The 11-position locking head can be adjusted and locked in place, providing improved access to hard-to-reach areas. With a 180-degree indexing capability, it allows for superior leverage in confined or difficult spaces. The ergonomic TPR grip on the handle ensures comfort during prolonged use and provides a superior gripping surface for enhanced leverage. This versatile pry bar set is ideal for removing engine and axle drive seals, pulling diesel injectors, aligning steel components, and repositioning equipment.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.